Hi guys, this is Jenna again. I'm sales manager K Hair. Nice to see you. So, have you ever wondered how we make this weft hair bundle from the raw hair like this? So today I will show you a process of making hair from our factory. Okay, let's go. Our collector will cut and buy the raw hair from donors. We collect hair from Vietnamese women, so the texture is natural straight and very soft. The worker will process again to erase white hair and faulty hair, and then they arrange the hair again and divide them to 100-gram bundle. It is not difficult but time-consuming. After raw processing, skillful workers who have experiences at least 10 years will be weaving the hair. All of machines are advanced 3-needle weft machines imported from Korea and Japan. The next important step is the styling and coloring the hair. It is supervised and managed by K-hair specialists who graduated from Top Hair Institute from US. The materials are ensured to be high quality, non-toxic, and to have a durable effect. Last but not least, K-hair staff will be checking the hairs again to make sure that end products are superb, no tangled, no shedding at all, and then we will ship the hair to customer. The sole processes of making best hair to supply to customers of K-hair. Why don't you place an order to test the quality right now?